Here is another one of these structures that is made to look like it's made out of wood, but it's actually a concrete sculpture. All concrete, even that part that's made to look like a thatch roof. Very ingenious and a beautiful and functional sculpture. This one is here on the outskirts of the San Antonio Zoo along the Riverwalk. Again, there's incredible detail on this sculpture. Even it looked like a metal nail down there in the wood to hold it all together. And it's actually concrete. It's all concrete. And that still looks like bark right there. I mean, this definitely looks like it could have been a real tree that just got petrified. Except for the top. There's a little railroad track that goes around the entire zoo area over here, around the park. This zoo is huge. And the Riverwalk is beautiful. The Riverwalk goes from here all the way downtown and out to the Missions. The whole Riverwalk, I believe, is like 16 miles plus long. And they're adding to it all the time. And stuff like this, these concrete sculptures are all over San Antonio. I've seen them at several different parks. Hope you enjoyed the video and exploring with me, the Square Peg. And I hope you have a great day. See you out on the trail.